What's up guys? So today I'm going to show you how to create a custom battery plan in Windows 10. Now this only applies to laptop users as desktops don't have a battery, they're just plugged into the wall. But for you laptop users that have Windows 10, this is the video for you. So if you want to create your own custom battery plan, you want to go to the bottom right here where you see your battery icon. My laptop's currently plugged in so it says fully charged, but you want to right click on it and then go to power options. So click power options. And here I have my own created battery plans. Now see, power saver and high performance used to be here by default, but they got removed with the recent Windows update. So I created my own battery plans and called them this just so I could have these again. But if you want to create your own plan, what you have to do is go to the left here on create a power plan and then click here. And now it'll give you three options of what you want. So here are the defaults, what they used to have. So power saver and high performance. Let's just create one that's high performance. So I'm going to click here and then I'm going to name it Tech Tips Power Plan. Next. And here we go. Now you can select when you want to turn off the display, if you don't interact with it, when you're on battery or plugged in. So if you're on battery mode and you're selecting this high performance plan, I would suggest you turn off the display eventually if you're not touching your computer. Otherwise, it's going to just completely drain the battery if it stays on, and then you won't be able to use it anymore. So I'd say 10 minutes is about right, and then I'll put 20 for put the computer to sleep. So if I don't touch my computer for 20 minutes when I'm on battery, then it makes sense to put it to sleep. Now when I'm plugged in, it's not really burning any battery, and it doesn't really matter what you select here. This is all personal preference. So personally, I don't mind the display being turned off after 15 minutes just so it saves some energy. Actually, you know what? I'll set it to 20. And then put the computer to sleep. Honestly, maybe after, if I don't touch my computer for like 2 hours, then fine. Like maybe I just forgot to turn it off, and then I would like it to be put to sleep. But this is all your preference here, so I'm just going to click create. And there you go. That is how you create your power plan. So if you want to change the settings, there's an option here, change plan settings. And then you can also go to change advanced power settings. So click here. And now you get a little menu that has a lot more options. So as you can see, there's different applications that use your battery here that you can modify. So Internet Explorer, JavaScript, timer frequency, on battery, maximum performance, plugged in, maximum performance. So you can select this and then change it. So if you want to Internet Explorer to use minimum resources when you're not plugged in, you just select maximum power savings instead of maximum performance. Same goes for other things. So like wireless adapter settings, on battery, maximum performance, plugged in. So here you have like complete access to what you want to change. You have way more power to change your power plan here versus the default settings you get here. So you can play with this as you want to make the power plan optimized for your laptop, but that is how you do it. So once you're done messing around with these settings, you can click apply. But also, which is kind of confusing, you can select this drop down and then modify any one of your other power plans here. So even though you went into this power plan and clicked change advanced power settings, you can change it for another one as well. Not the best design by Windows, but hey, it is what it is. So once you're done here, just click apply and then click OK, and it'll close it. And that is how you do it. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.